How to contact Instagram support. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Instagram support. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to the Instagram app, please visit your App Store or your Play Store first and check if your Instagram is up to date. If not, just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to contact Instagram support easily within the app. Once you have made sure of that, just head on and open Instagram right here. And to show that option, we should be at our profile page. So to do that, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner and click on this 3-bar line icon at the top right corner from your profile page and click on settings. From here, you can see the option that says help right below the account option. So just tap on help and click on report a problem right here. So you can see many options. You can either shake your phone to report a problem, but you don't have to do that. You can also click on this report problem without shaking. So just tap on that. And from here, you can briefly explain what happened or what's not working within the Instagram app. So you can basically type in about any issue that you might have faced in using the Instagram application, like you can't see stories, or you cannot like posts, or you cannot comment on Instagram posts. So you can just type in on this space right here. So for example, I cannot comment on any post. And aside from being able to briefly explain it through text, you can also upload media images right here, or take a screenshot from the Instagram application. So just tap on either of these options as you like to support the problem that you're facing and to better explain it. So just click on next. Once you have included all the important information, you can also opt to include complete logs and diagnostics, and you can just simply send report here. So that is how you can basically contact Instagram support easily. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.